Oh my god.
It's been
What's
a while. That's our Kelpie. 9-year-old Kelpie called Choco.
He's annoying. Slightly insane.
He's excited because we're going somewhere today.
Yep. So we'll keep you posted because we're just trying to get organised and get things figured out again on how everything works.
We're just doing a day trip today.
Yay, day trip.
See you later.
Where are we, dear?
We are at a rest stop at Jackadry outside of Grafton.
And that's the Mann River. It's pretty.
Well, no, that's not the Mann River. That's the bridge over the Mann River.
Fine. So we left the Mann River Bridge, as I was told, and we made our way along the Guida Highway for probably about another 18 k's until we got to the Kangi turnoff. Kangi Bridge is a lovely spot. We've been there a few times before. I will cut in some drone footage after we finish driving over the bridge from probably about 6 months ago. After having a little bit of a look around, we realised that it was a little bit too busy for us at Kangi Bridge, so we continued on to a magic little spot called Hanging Rock. It's another free camp along the same river.
Ready, set, go!
Good.
That's okay.
Back to the bank.
Hey, what are you doing? Ready, set,
Hi, Dad.
go!
Hi, Dad.
It was a bit short and sweet, this one. It was more me getting the hang of how to use the camera again and use the editing tools and things like that. We are planning a bit of a trip in May, so we hope you'll join us then. Not exactly sure where we're going yet, but hey. Anyway, thanks for watching and catch you around the place. See ya.